We decided to take the van out, and we decided we were gonna go to
Table Rock Lake at Branson, Missouri.
we can like take the van out and we can go see Jim's daughters and our new baby granddaughter Amelia. Yay!
Yeah.
So come along, let's check out the park,
Mm-hmm.
check out the van, and have a good weekend.
Remember, like and subscribe.
And
Tell our friends about
tell
it.
our friends.
And
tell our friends about it because they haven't talked to us in a while.
yeah.
No, I love you. Okay. Driving to the campground.
Going to the campground.
Oh, it's like so windy out today. It's like historic winds. That's what they said. Like it's gusts of wind up to 60 miles per hour. It's been so bad.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Like look at that building. Whatever that is, that a tarp?
That's a tarp.
Look at that tarp. I'll have to zoom in. Let me see.
Oh, it's a Thousand Hills golf course.
Oh, it was one of those boards,
It was
billboard.
advertising.
So I'm not sure how camping's gonna be tonight.
And we're gonna be on the lake side.
We're on the lakeside.
Yep. Table Rock State Park.
This will be an adventure because not all weather's gonna be good weather when we're camping, and we take this. Well, we are camping when we're going camping. We are camping.
We are camping.
I suppose we have a backup. We can go to Jim's daughter's house and sleep in their futon.
Yeah.
I saw their futon. There's no sleeping in that futon. Oh, it is open now.
Ah,
Yeah, we're coming here tomorrow. Check it
Fish
out.
hatchery is open.
Fish hatchery tomorrow. That's where we're going. Oh. There's the campground. Bet this place is really busy in the summer.
It does get very, very busy. I think it was last summer we were up here and Moonshine Beach across the dam.
Yeah, it was so busy,
It
couldn't
was
go.
packed. There was no parking. Yeah, this campground's huge too.
Yeah, there's like we're at the first campground. So this one probably. Bathroom looks like it's gonna be a hike. Yay. And just like the water view.
We're home.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's get out.
Hey, we made it.
What's the nearest bathroom though?
Down that way.
Wanna go take a walk and see first?
We're gonna have to, huh?
Eventually we have to find the closest bathroom. Let's go see.
All right. Hiking over there.
Oh, we could just ride my bicycle.
Yeah, you can, of course.
I can ride my bicycle.
So
It's not too bad.
we're parked on the other side of that white truck.
As long as I'm gonna use it while I'm here.
Might as well use it. That's why it's here. And the dumpster. So, and I like the trees for a windbreak. That's good. And we'll give you a idea of how clean it is.
I'll take you with me. Come on, let's go to the women's room.
You're lucky.
Is that a bathroom or the shower house?
I see utility room.
It says women, so camper. Oh, don't leave me.
Okay.
Okay. How's the men's room?
Yeah, it was good.
It's okay. This is probably the hardest thing it's going to be for me, is using public restrooms.
Yeah, probably.
Especially, this is only a couple day trip.
Yeah.
But when we start using like months, not months, weeks, days, weeks, not months, days, weeks, I'll have a hard time with. At least I get a walk every time I go to the bathroom.
Exercise.
Yeah. Definitely.
Really good view though.
Okay.
First I want you to pull your bicycle out.
Yep. We just got electric. Oh, that's good.
Ooh, yes, please. Salads.
So that's gonna be yours now.
All
You want
right.
pepper?
A little. You want pepper?
Just got it up my nose.
Perfect.
Oh, it went up my nose.
Chew. It's a little windy.
It's very windy. But if we're gonna camp, we gotta camp in all conditions.
That's right.
So,
Because that's part of life.
wow, I got pepper up my nose still.
Wow. Stick that.
The only
in
thing
here
is I don't
whenever.
want this in the room.
Yeah, I got trash bags right there that I'm gonna.
It's gonna smell so bad.
Yeah.
Cause it's Caesar salad, chicken Caesar.
And then we got the chicken right here.
Rotisserie chicken.
Yeah. We definitely need to. I'm gonna have to put a bigger
Told Jim he needs
cutting
to.
board on that.
I'll let you
Honka
shred it
tonka.
yourself.
Alright. Honka tonka chicken. That stuff's pretty good too.
This isn't the right one. Yeah, it is. Huh.
Looks like it's got a little more
It
seasoning
does
to
look a
it.
lot more seasoned. Okay.
There's somebody else coming in.
So
Okay.
that's our dinner for tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully tomorrow it won't be windy as bad.
Right.
And put this here for now. But remember to like and subscribe and put that chicken back in the fridge.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna stink.
It's not gonna be good for us.
No.
And that was yours.
All
That was
right.
mine. Here's a fork.
Okay.
Right now we're just using up all the plastic.
I'm gonna take care of the garbage while I'm thinking of it.
That's fine.
So,
You could eat first because it's gonna be hard. There's stuff that's gonna fly into it. Eat first, and then you'll
Okay.
have the bowls too.
yeah,
So take care of it.
I was gonna start it and
What do you
then
mean start it?
like get it out,
Oh,
put
that's fine.
the.
Let's just eat. Come on.
Okie dokie.
Stop it. I'm hungry. Jim's gonna take a walk down there. You gonna take a camera?
Mhm.
He's gonna take you for a walk. I'm sick again. Feels like I'm always fighting a cold. Or I never really got over the cold from like the cruise. Not entirely.
No.
I'm not sure if this might be allergies because the pollen was kind of. Look at that salad.
Gotta have Walmart trash bags.
But just keep them when you go to the store. Yeah.
This is a must-have for van lifing.
Is it
For van living.
van life
Travel.
camping?
Yep.
Walmart. And
I'm gonna go for a walk. We are, anyways.
who is we?
Me and these fine folks right here.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna do some last minute exploring. I was gonna lay down, but let's just go. What if I miss something good? Huh?
Yeah, right?
Because I'm not going to be here when it's like 120 degrees out.
It really gets that hot?
Bugs?
It really gets that hot here?
Oh, it's a road.
Ooh. Little patches of swarms of bugs. Look at the birdhouse right there. Little bird cabin.
What's funny is it was like 80 degrees before we left the house, and that it's been so windy today. And now it's like, it's getting cold. We might need heat later.
Maybe. Good thing we brought the heater.
Didn't bring air conditioning, so that's really good.
Yeah. Whenever we left the house today, I thought, oh crap. I hope I don't have to feel bad for not bringing this air conditioner.
This spot.
This is a trail. Look at that.
Look at this. This is a road or a trail?
This is a walkway that we're on, a little walking path, but that's a trail. This is a nice little walkway. Get down here.
Is it swimmable? No.
No, it's a bluff. I mean, yeah, you can swim it.
It doesn't have any signs that says no swimming.
You can swim it, but yeah,
Wow, this
I would.
is really nice. Here, Jim,
I'd go check it out.
go check it out. Go test the water. No, don't test the water.
I
Well,
can tell you how deep it is here.
how?
I have a graph on my phone.
You know what? I can see the rocks on the bottom right there.
Yeah, but see how this shelves out? How
Yeah.
it shelves out from that ledge?
Yeah.
It could do that. all
And
the
then
way
just
up
fall
to-
out. Yeah. Wow, this is really pretty. Well, it's just down from our campsite.
Yeah.
So we got like the first one is you come into the park, and it kind of sucks to be there. But this is kind of a good perk, huh?
This is nice. And then during the day, if you wanted to, and you like were a sunbather, you can come.
Can you
up
fish here?
You can lay out. You can fish.
Can you
probably
fish here?
Swim. Yeah. Yep.
No, you got donut right here.
I got schmutz.
Oh, this isn't too bad of a little walk down.
No.
I didn't even have to put my hiking shoes on. Now I go lay down.
I got some trash out.
Jim's taking trash out. I cooked. He takes it out. Holy crap, it's uphill. Yay, Jim.
Oh,
So yeah.